Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the time warp screen effect on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect basically freezes the camera in one direction from left to right, and it begins from the center of the screen to the right of the screen. The effect basically creates a distortion effect, which basically creates some interesting results, and using that you can create some trending videos on TikTok. So let me show you how to do it. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. On the search bar, search for Time Warp Screen. It should appear under Effect and it should look like this. Tap on it. Now scroll through some of the video examples on how the other users have used this effect. I've seen many users create the hashtag son of a video using this effect. This is where you have your hopes and dreams on the left hand side, and then you get sucked into the reality on the right hand side. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. So as you can see, this effect basically splits the camera into two sections. On the left hand side you have the live view, while on the right side you have the freeze effect, where it basically distorts your image. Now you can be as creative as you like and record your TikTok videos. And there you go, that is how to use the time warp screen effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.